Hi guys, I am Kashipur. New batch is starting, and at I am Kashipur, they have now saying they claim that this is the most academically diverse batch till date. In fact, I can be sure this is one of the most diverse batch across all the IIMs as well. This batch have the highest number of non-engineers. 45% of the batch at IIM Kashipur this year are non-engineers. Yeah, so now if this is happening because of merit, it'll be great. Yeah, please, I don't want to start the debate of engineer versus non-engineer here. This is merely to tell you, this is just a news from my point of view. 45% of the batch are non-engineer. This is from my point of view to motivate all the non-engineers, those who are feeling down and low that because of engineers there are very few non-engineers going to MBA because engineers always top the exam. So we have the college here which have 45% of the batch as non-engineers. So this is quite motivating from the non-engineers point of view. Engineers there are, we are still there यार, engineers हम कहीं नहीं जाने वाले. 55% of the batch is still engineers. Yeah, so those who say नहीं ये तो कम हो गया this and that, because normally 80% are engineers in almost every B school. 80% are engineers. Now this 80% in this college is becoming 55%, so this 25% loss. Now if you are saying कि I got out because of this 25%, तो यार हम लोग यहाँ भी तो आ सकते थे. Your target is to be in the top 55%. Yeah, as an engineer, this is my request to all the engineers, as opposed to the usual trend of engineers claiming the most of the MBA seat at the premium college. Still most of the colleges are engineer dominated colleges. So guys, don't worry, engineers कम नहीं होने वाले, ठीक है, but non engineers वालों को भी मौका दिया जाना चाहिए ऊपर आने का. So lot of IIMs are now giving a diversity, as keeping diversity, academic diversity as one of the factors. Now I've taken you to our website ceattaking.com/IIM. You can go there and check out more details about every college. So for getting a call, 48% weightage is for the CAT score, 43% weightage is for academics, 4% weightage is for WorkX, 4% weightage for the academic diversity. This 4% weightage on average at the B school is the main reason why the number of more non-engineers are coming. Yeah, but this is very small thing, yeah, this is very small thing to look at. Now you can check out the link for all the colleges, all the links, all the colleges are here. Now if you look at on average for the new IIMs, especially if I look at new and baby IIMs, 10% weightage is for the academic diversity. Yeah, 10% weightage is given for the academic diversity. Look at the placement report here. So average salary is 13.82 lakhs, median 12 lakhs, highest international 48 and highest domestic 45 lakh a package. That's a package what is going on at IIM Kashipur. Yeah, and this is the main thing which I always like to talk about, which now a lot of B schools have started giving this data, is top 50% of the batch have got 16.89 lakhs. So if you're in the top 60%, 50% of the batch, your average salary is 16 lakhs. Top 30%, 20 lakhs. Guys, you're getting a salary of at par with the main IIMs if you're in the top 30% of the batch. Top 20%, 22 lakhs, and top 10%, 28 lakh a package. So those who can't make it to IIM Ahmedabad के मेरे को MBA नहीं करना because I'm not getting IIM Ahmedabad, guys, even if you go here and be in the top 10% of the batch, you're getting a salary at par with IIM Ahmedabad. Fine. So two ways: either do good in the college, yeah, either get a good college, or B, do good in the college wherever you are going. Here average obviously is 13.8, but if you look at the top 20% batch, you are getting 22 lakh plus, more than 50% of the average salary, and that should always be your target. And in the 2020 batch, most of the companies are coming on campus. You can see here, you can pause the video and check out the brands which are coming here for joinings, offerings. So how you feel about the college, please do comment in the comment box. All the best. Now if you go to the specialization wise, so IT have got the average salary of 14 lakhs. Yeah, we can check it out here. Average salary is 14 lakhs in IT. In finance, average is 14.42, almost same. In marketing, average is 12.18. Now this is thoda bias here. consulting and strategy average is 10 because none of the main consulting firms are coming here, only the low end consulting firms are coming. Operations average 13 lakhs, general management average salary 17 lakhs. So highest placement is for the general management students. Yeah, now if I compare with this IIM Ahmedabad, obviously consulting is number one in IIM Ahmedabad. So her college wise this data is going to change. And HR is average is 12 lakh. Okay, all the best.